Hello! We're at the Pacific Rim National Park and we're gonna go through this luscious rainforest. Whoa!
What?
Oh my sunglasses. Look at inside of it, sweetie. That's so cool. Go put the camera in. Go in, baby. Can you fit?
Go in.
Go in the treehouse.
This is a treehouse?
Yeah! A real treehouse.
Whoa.
Look up, sweetie.
What do you think?
Look at how high it is.
Wow.
Is that cool?
Cool, I can't get out.
Dinosaur, roar!
What'd you see?
I saw a tiny dinosaur right there.
And then what happened?
Well, then he left.
Where'd he go?
On your head.
Really?
Yep.
How come he didn't make any noise?
'Cause he was so scared.
Really? What did it look like?
A red dinosaur.
Just finished the hike and I'm pooped. There's a lot of steps. The views are really nice. There's trees that are like growing from one tree and then there's like 5 trees. And you look up and you're like, how is that staying still? How is that not falling? It's really kind of eerie, but it's so cool how nature just grows however it wants with no rules and stuff. So that was fun. I'm sweating. It's definitely a rainforest because it's so humid in here. But yeah, it was a good time. It was really cool. And we're gonna go check out a bog, another hike out there. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, we are at Shorepine Bog, which I'm gonna call broccoli tree forest because apparently the trees grew really short and they look like little broccolis. And that is really cool, so I want to see some broccolis. And did you know that my name, if I was a boy, was going to be Brock, and my last name would be Lee. So I fit perfectly in broccoli forest. Okay. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of like that was the rainforest and now we're in like Africa. Wow.
Tyler's eating the broccoli trees.
Look at this, looks so cool.
Yeah.
It's like a canopy. Go eat some broccoli. We are done broccoli tree forest and it literally looked like broccolis. We also called it Lion King forest because you just expect like a lion is gonna come out of there or a vulture sitting on those like dead tree trunks, but they're really short and it's so strange that we were just like 2 minutes down the road in a luscious rainforest and then all of a sudden it's just like African safari. So it's cool that Tofino has both of these to offer. That's gonna be all today. Thanks for coming on our hike with us. Also, you guys, don't forget, if you wanna come with us on our adventures, or if you wanna make adventure possible, hit the subscribe button and also like our videos. And we hope that you make adventure possible too.